Every day, my coworker eats a Granny Smith apple. She places it on her desk each morning and takes bite after bite until the apple is nothing more than its core. She doesn't just eat it outright, however. She only takes a single bite per hour. She eats it slowly, methodically, and with purpose. Every time I walk past her desk, I check on the statue of the apple. Each time there is one more bite than the time before. Each previous bite has darkened to a brownish, rusty hole with teeth marks. By the end of the day, the apple has become completely brown and withered, but bite after bite is still being taken. One morning, she came over to my desk and asked me about the bruises on my arm. She smiled as she pretended to believe my lies, then reached into her purse and handed me an apple. It was different from the one already sitting on her desk. She told me never to eat it. She told me it was special. She told me I would know. Confused, I placed it on my desk and went on with my day. The next morning, she didn't come into work. We received a call later that day from her brother. He said she had been arrested for murdering her abusive boyfriend. She killed him with a poisoned apple. I never knew she was in an abusive relationship. I didn't know we had that in common. While everyone else was buried in gossip, I went to my desk and placed the apple into my bag. I decided to take a half day. I called my husband and told him I was coming home early. I told him I had a present for him. He loves Granny Smith apples.